Okay, everyone, let's start as usual with the daily recap of the 25th of January 2021. Start as usual with the backtest. Today was a wonderful start of the week. And I wish we have good results here. Honestly, I did not run the backtest and I did not see the results. So let's see it together. Okay, let it take some time. As usual, let me scroll down while the data is gathered. Okay. Is something here changing or everything is the same? Size and everything. What have we started with? Let me see the setting. Okay, that's why. Okay, we need to change it. It's something mixed up here. I noticed that 9,000 is okay. I flipped the take profit and the stop loss. Run again with changing the. Okay, let me as usual say that we start with the setting, time exit, make it the whole day, then risk management, enable profit target, not $7, but 7%. Then the stop loss is 2%, so it should change. It should not show you ups and downs like that. It should not be that severe. It should be run kind of stable process. So now we run the simulation again and see. Okay. I've seen a couple of active and positive feedbacks on the Facebook, my Facebook page. So thank you very much for everyone for the positive and for the, for the support. Okay, Monday the 25th was profit of only 362. That happens. Sometimes it happens. But this is again on the back test. So let us see. At least we did not break our streak. So let us see what was the, before we go here, let us see what was the most profitable and what is the least profitable trades. What are the least profitable trades? So the first one was USEG with $978.60, GILL $934.50, CCRC $882, BOSC excuse me, $577.50, and then PRPO was $569.10. The least profitable ones were NTWK at minus $269.40. DSS was minus $255.60. GLB at minus $253.20. KOSS at minus $247.20, and GIGM at minus $246.30. Let's move on to the charts of the signals. The signals during the trading, and we'll take let's look at them. First one is not shown here. Data is not retrieved, but let us start with the one here at 9:43. 9:43 is here. at the beginning of the trading, there were some trades. Let us take them all. So that one was GIGM. Let us discuss the scenarios and see whether really we should enter into these trades or not. This is a losing trade, and I think nobody will enter this. If you have a doubt, please review my previous recaps. But if somebody is trading, the fundamentals are not supporting here, entering. Guys, please support me as usual. Give me a thumb up if you like what you are seeing. Next one is SONN. And SONN is in an upper trend. And here somebody, if he wants to enter early, he can easily get trapped. So this is another confirmed loss. Actually, this should not be confirmed as a loss as well as the first one because of the unclear signal. Again, you should not enter similar opportunities when you find, as there are. See, today, for example, we had how many? We had 60 trades. That's why maybe we had a low profit. Usually we have in the 40s or early 50s. Previous week also there were some more, but usually we are in the 45 to 49 trades. So that's why maybe. So the message here is that you don't need to enter each trade because the opportunities are always there. So either you enter a firm and 100% confirmed opportunity, or just wait, skip it. See, at the same time, at 9:30 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 opportunities. 2 of them are almost double the losses. So if you want 1300s are double the losses here, the recorded losses. But all the message here is that all opportunities here are happening at the same time, at the same moment, at the same minute. So the message here is to select the right and the most clear opportunity that you can with high probability that you can make profit out of. Okay, so moving to next minute, which is CETX. CETX, I think if you start from here, you can make your target. The signal came here exactly, so it confirmed the breakage of the $2, and then it entered the stop loss of 2% lower than that, which is at 1.98, which did not happen here, and it continued, and that happened in 30 minutes. Again, in 15 minutes, maybe we will be here. Usually, as I usually say, give it a 15 minutes, give it like 15 minutes time frame. So we entered at 9:30. Like maybe here you will exit at a break even. But if you feel that things are going well, and it is holding above the $2, then you can give it some time and see, enjoy the profit. Okay, let's move on. Let's take, for example, SGLB. Interesting how it lost, how it was usually it used to be a winner for us, yes, in an upper trend. But what had happened today? Surprisingly, it confirmed. Maybe we entered here, maybe we entered late because it showed up on the signal on the screener late, very late. You are far away from the moving averages. This has to revisit it and test it and close the gap here and go up. In our case, it did not hold up and it went down. Maybe in the coming days it will make a new high and it will continue. Maybe Let's see it. Let's move on to the next half hour. Or let's see something interesting here. Let us see this one. The winning ones, how did they make it? And will we be really able to enter those opportunities or not? Here, low trading volume, then in this candle in the 5 minutes, it made it and it continued, it surged up, then it went down at the entry was at 2.75, tempting. It is not on the whole or on the half dollar, so if I'm there, I would trade it, but I will be a little bit afraid of the strong increase. I will be ready to enter and exit in a fast mode, either make a profit or take the loss. Usually the wild and the sudden movement takes you either ways. So this is one trade interesting to look at. Let us see the next one, or look at this one, CCRC. Very nice previous high, and today it tested the moving average. Tested our moving average here. It tested our 50 days moving average here, simple moving average, and then it returned back. So the entry signal came to us, and it was done in 4 minutes or 5 minutes, less than 5 minutes. One candle, clean, straight upwards. Take your 5%, 7%, equivalent to 882, which is equivalent to our 8% of our $10,000 capital investment in 5 minutes. So if somebody is trading this one only with the target, he should stop, or she should stop at this, if not earlier. Okay, let us see, what do we have also? Okay, next, let us see one of the big ones, big losses, PIXY. When I look at this candle, I see, or this trend, I see it uptrending, so it might tempt me to go, actually. Seeing this movement, breaking all the moving averages and moving forward with a confirmed signal, it should give me an indication that this is an excellent trade and a high probability trade, but unfortunately it did not hold up and it returned back. Okay, let us see what was the resistance, the next resistance, PIX at 1247. Maybe we can realize why this trade was not a successful one. 1247 PIX here. Next resistance was at 3.92, and that was not supposed to be a problem with us. It should be a motivation also, but obviously this is one of the losing trades, confirmed loss. Nobody can avoid. This is an unavoidable losing trade. Let's see CNFR. CNFR was supposed to be a winning one with maybe a cup and handle form, or double bottom actually. It's taking some time to retrieve the chart. Okay. Low trade on the 5 minutes chart, low trading volume, and did not make it actually. Okay, next one, HUSA was I notified the followers about it on Twitter, and it was really obvious that it was doing great. I remember the signal was almost breaking my screamer. Here it is. It's USA, almost 2 pages continuous. So actually one full page, but it was ringing and buzzing all the time. So that was a very, very good opportunity, and it made it within 3 minutes. Perfect. When it showed at 1320 or 1319, maybe somebody will not enter this one because the next resistance was close by. But seeing all these signals makes someone decide to take the risk and enter here maybe. Enter here after breaking the resistance. Where did I go? Yeah. After breaking the resistance, the 214, 215, somebody might decide to enter here. And the confirmation to stay in the trade is that when it broke the 220, it gave you immediately a room to go to the next resistance at 2.72. So that's a perfect trade in 3 minutes. Perfect. Let's take one more or two more. USEG was a little bit risky because it's at the resistance of the 50 days simple moving average. But here the breakout was crazy. USEG, nobody might maybe like to try to trade it at the resistance, so maybe you'll wait for the breakage, for the breakout of the resistance. But again, seeing all these alerts with the moving, with the volume and the momentum, and the breakage of the two moving averages and the weighted moving average as well, will make you decide easily to go and put your maybe closely watch the target, the profit target, the predetermined profit target, or at least put your target, your 7% target, the predetermined, as we agreed. When you enter any trade, you should use immediately your hotkeys and place your take profit and stop loss, and be away, isolated from the emotions. So if you take confirmed 7%, better than waiting for the trade to keep on rising, or maybe it will change and go down, as we saw in other trades. The bottom line here is to eliminate the emotional factor here, so you don't get trapped into your first enemy, which is yourself during the trading. Okay, this one is another perfect one. Okay, 213, and that was at 13, was 130, 129. SNDE was doing great. Next resistance was close by, but when you see the room here and you are here, maybe you can tell from your experience with the time that it will make some excellent move here, that it will test with the momentum, with this momentum, that it might test easily the moving average, the remaining, the only moving average that's left ahead of you. See also the good cross between the two moving averages. That's another excellent indication as well. The 20, the 10 days and the 20. So that's an excellent cross of the moving averages as well. Okay, I need to conclude, and let's take one more. Let's take the latest one. that showed up at, this is not the latest one actually, there are others I believe. No, that was the one before the last one. And although it appeared on a very uptrending, but it came late, we missed it here. So we came really late into the picture, and technically this should not be a losing trade, but maybe it didn't have enough gas to continue. Enough gas meaning that the momentum was, slowing down. So that was the update for the 25th. I hope you like it. As usual, your valuable and continuous support means a lot to me. So please, if you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe, and give me your comments. Share with me your thoughts, so I can enhance or highlight something that I did not during the daily recaps. Love you all. Thank you very much. And don't miss today's trade. Thank you very much. Bye-bye for now.